everybody, it's Deb from DandDArtGallery. Today I have a 12 by 12 wood panel, and I put push pins and tape on the back as normal. And I was going to tell you what I do normally is when I buy these and I go to tape the back and prepare it, I just write the size of the canvas on the back, and then I figure out how much paint I'm going to need to cover the canvas. In this case, it's 5.2 ounces, so I've rounded it up to about 5.5. What I've done is put a base coat of just paint mixed with a little water. It's the Amsterdam Acrylic Greenish Blue. And I'm working with resin today, and so the coat I'm going to be, next layer of paint I'm putting on my canvas will be the Amsterdam Acrylic Greenish Blue that I've mixed up with the resin. And my other colors today are Amsterdam Turquoise Green, Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, Amsterdam Carmine, and DecoArt Extreme Sheen Metallic Silver. The resin I'm using today is KS resin, and I found this resin to be very easy to work with. It's very clear, mixes nice, and so we're going with that today. So let's get started. I'm going to put down my base coat and cover the whole canvas. And if you've watched, I did a previous video with resin, and I did suggest you always wear gloves. It's very sticky and hard to clean off your hands if you don't. You just kind of want to be careful too with your clothes. Very, very sticky product. But the result is really, really nice. Looks like I've got plenty of paint here. I'm letting it go over my sides a little bit. There is a lip on this wood panel, and I have the tape run up to just under that lip. So I do want the resin to cover that lip. Okay, looks like I've got that covered pretty well. I'm going to torch it to get any air bubbles out. You just want to make sure you don't get your torch too close to burn your resin. Just get the air bubbles out. Okay, and now I'm going to use my heat gun just to warm up this resin a little bit. You can see the resin moving a little bit as I warm it up. my other paints to it. And I just do want this to be an abstract painting today. No particular design, just whatever will be, will be. Metallic cobalt blue. I'll leave a little bit in each cup in case I do want to make a little addition here and there at the end. And the Amsterdam Carmine, very, very deep red color. And the DecoArt Extreme Sheen silver. Okay, first we'll torch. Get the air bubbles out. Okay, and now the heat gun. I think I'm going to add a little bit more of the silver. And a little bit more of the Amsterdam turquoise green here. I really like that light color in the background. See if we can get a little bit more of that in there, here and there. A little bit more of this carmine. Okay. A little bit of torch action. And the heat gun. Okay, I think it's turned out very, very nice. What I like about it is that extreme sheen silver. It just like moved all over the painting, and you can see quite a few sparkles in there. Let me move my paints so you can see the painting a lot better. And as you can see, I have, the second time I added the paints, I did it in real thin streaks, and I've left it that way on purpose to give it some more depth and dimension. So I will get you down for a close-up. I'll do one more torch, make sure we get out all the air bubbles. Then we'll get you down for a close-up. Okay, here's the upper left corner. You can see that silver just so pretty in there, shiny. And it really has dispersed over the whole painting. I like that effect. And there's some of those thin lines that I left in there. That's the upper right corner. And the lower right corner. So let me know what you think. I think it turned out really, really pretty. Subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share and ring the bell so you know the next time that I do post a new video. And until next time, take care, everybody. Bye.